So let's see today's delicious meatloaf recipe with which you can make delicious sandwiches. So let's start with the easy and quick recipe. So now in a pan, I've taken just about 1/4 teaspoon of oil and I'm going to fry 250 grams of bacon. Now we want to fry the bacon till it's nice and crispy on both sides. And it doesn't require extra oil because the bacon itself, because of a little bit of fat, does leave out some oil, so that helps to fry it and make it nice and crispy. So here you can see the bacon is nice and crisped up. So once it's done, we're going to take it out of the pan and let it cool to room temperature, and then I'm just going to chop it up really fine using a nice sharp knife. Now you can use a regular bacon or you can also use chicken bacon. And I'd like to know whether you even get vegan bacon. I've heard of it, but not really sure. So let me know in the comment section whether you've ever eaten vegan bacon. So now chop it really, really fine. And since it's nice and crispy, so the process is really easy. Now once that is done, I'm just going to add 1 more teaspoon of oil to my pan. And I'm going to fry 1 medium onion that I've chopped really fine. So we want to fry the onion till it's nice and translucent. I'm using a red onion. You can also use the white onion. And now I've just taken about 2 tablespoons of garlic, which is about 4 large cloves of garlic, and chopped them really fine. And I'm going to fry the garlic well too. So this dish doesn't have a lot of ingredients, but the end result is really amazing. And I love making this meatloaf on a Sunday and keeping it in my refrigerator. So whenever hunger strikes, just cut it up into thin slices, butter up some nice slices of bread, and you have your lovely meatloaf sandwiches ready. This is a great kid snack or even a tiffin item or just something when hunger strikes. So now I'll fry the bacon, the onions and the garlic really well. And now here I've taken 500 grams of mince. To that I'm going to add the fried bacon. Now again, you can use chicken mince, you can use mutton mince, you can use beef mince. I like to go with leaner meat, so I'm using chicken, and even the bacon I'm using is chicken bacon, which is easily available. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of chili flakes, about a teaspoon for a little bit of a spice kick, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. For those of you who watch my recipes know that I use a lot of pepper and I just love the taste of pepper. And I'm going to add some salt to taste. And now to hold everything together, I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. So all I've done is just taken some slices of bread and made them into crumbs in my blender. And now just one more ingredient, and that is an egg. So I'm just going to beat the egg and I'm going to add that too. So the eggs and the breadcrumbs really hold this whole thing together and make it into a lovely loaf. So add the egg, and then all you got to do is just mix everything really well together. So all of the ingredients are nicely well incorporated. So let me know in the comment section whether you make your meatloaf like this or you have a different recipe. I would love to hear from you guys. And now I've just greased my loaf tin with a little bit of butter, and I'm just going to add this entire mixture. And now I just want to pack it down really, really well. Now this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is around 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 10 minutes. So pat it down really, really gently. And then we're just going to bake it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. But do keep an eye on it because every oven is different. And here my lovely meatloaf is all ready. Doesn't it look nice and juicy? And I'm going to let it cool completely before I demold it. And you can see how well it's nicely baked, and the aroma in my kitchen is really amazing. I just can't wait to cut this up into slices and make some beautiful sandwiches. So let me know how you like this recipe. Do give it a try, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.